TS4. Right now we're in the L200 here. So right now I want to install a new steering wheel. What's now coming here, I want to install it. I don't know when I'll get the time to actually do it, but this is the ordinary one here. As you can see, at some of the vehicle it had this type of material and stuff there, airbag and stuff under this. We want to upgrade to the newer one. Yes, I was supposed for a bit there. So let's get into the unboxing of it here. I already did open up the box and check it out earlier on, and it come with real bubble wrap and thing there, so it was nice and secure inside here. And this is the new one here. So the new one actually come with the controls and stuff here for it. Voice and call and stuff you can answer on this one there. Connections and stuff here. Cancel some other buttons and thing here. So this one didn't come with majority of these here. So I had to try to hook it up to the to my deck. So this one is the, you can see it properly there. Yeah, so this one is the 9.7 inch one that I installed there on this one. So let me see how the different side here will be looking. Yeah, so the material kind of the same there, because I will need to put back this this part with the horn and thing underneath there. It didn't come with that part, so it's just to put back the airbag and that's under there. This one does come with the accessories and stuff going on here. Nice shiny black with the chrome finish here, down here, and on the side stuff there. This side, this side typical. Yeah, so I still am gonna upgrade the steering wheel here. And this one had more shiny parts in the inside compared to this one. You can really see this one, but this one does the same thing going straight around. The same thing like you see in here, going straight around. And let me see, this one actually come with the little lumps here with the red stitching and thing. This one don't have anything there, no fancy stitching or anything like that on this one. So this one has some red stitching going straight around, the little lumps there, so when you rest your hand you could fit in and have a proper grip on that one. Yeah, I don't really have nothing much more there to talk about on this. I like this nice little shiny part here. Here the spleen. So I guess sometime I will upload my phone with the other videos that I have right now. The Motorola Razr that I decided to give out, it does have a battery error kind of something popping up, and when I checked it online, they say like that is something that has happened to Motorola's and stuff. So really disappointed with our Motorola Razr phone there, and it had a good bit of videos and stuff. I done putting the headlights inside the front there. So those who watching my channel know that it's come with the normal lights on it, so we could go and take a look at that, because that video have all the wiring and stuff, how to wire up everything. So most likely I'll need to do over a video on that. So this is how the front end looking now, with the halo rings and stuff in the front there. So the ordinary one with the yellow lights, that one out, and this one have the indicator and stuff with the halo ring itself there. Well, the indicator come out. Come on, I need to turn the key for that to get power. So the LED, I put in the LED light there As you can see here, the fog light as well have the indicator look inside of it. I believe everybody see the backlights already with the indicator and stuff there. So there the smoke backlights with the indicator. We get kind of getting through off topic here, so yeah, that is it. Hopefully I will have to do over a video with the wiring and stuff to how to change the headlights. Hopefully I'll be able to get that done. Yeah, that's it. TS4 out.